Friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with today's video. So first you have to take a palm of a child and then start making the pattern as being shown. Out of it, yes, we have obtained a very dangerous dog out of it. Now take this and make imprints out of it. After doing so, you can simply make these beetles out of the imprints and see how beautiful it looks. Take a leaf and another pair of leaves are to be taken for making a cactus like this. See how beautifully these thorns are to be applied and this cactus plant is ready. Take a leaf like this and start pasting it on the sheet. After doing so, you have to make a boy who is wearing a cap in this manner and see how wonderful he looks. Take a glass and then cut it. After cutting the top of it, you simply have to cut the edges too and start folding the thin strips of it and see how wonderfully you will obtain this. See how this basket is made very easily. Take another glass and start cutting it. After cutting it, you simply have to insert a hole inside it and insert these wheels so that it will give a perfect look of a fan which will work accordingly. See how perfect it looks. Now take another glass and cut it from in between. After cutting it, you simply have to make the petals of this bottom part and this sunflower will be ready within just a few seconds and see how wonderfully this sunflower has been made. Take another glass and cut it in the described manner. After doing so, insert these threads over the glasses and see how perfectly we have made this. Wow, it looks very well. Now take a sheet and start folding it into this manner. After folding it like this, you simply have to see how the other process will begin. Simply note the movement and then after doing so, you have to simply make this butterfly like this. After making the wings of it, you simply have to see that how these wings are to be twisted and turned like this and your butterfly is ready. Take the same piece of sheet and yes, note the movement into which it is being folded. As you can see how this folding process is being going on and then you have to tap the edges of the sheet. Now note the movement that is to be taken place into this manner and don't forget to make this dress out of it. See how wonderfully this dress is being made and wow, this gown looks really great. Take a sheet and start folding it into this manner. After folding it, you can simply see that how we have folded it into this prescribed manner and note the dimensions of another sheet and then insert the straw inside it. The straw that has to be made like this is to be placed and your art is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.